Hello, my name is Lu Ting.
My name is Ziliang.
And my name is Jing Shen.
Okay, today we'll be analyzing a malware which is called Trojan Spy Win32 Keylogger. You can actually get this malware from offensivecomputing.com. Please take note, when you download this, please run it on a virtual machine as it might harm your computer. Okay, in this playlist, right, we'll be showing you parts of the analysis, which is static analysis, dynamic analysis, and the last part is code analysis.
Okay, for the static analysis, right, I'll be using a wide range of tools. One of the tools is I'm gonna check whether the malware is packed or not. Next up, I will also be using a tool called bin tags to search out some of the more important strings to determine the malware's purpose to a certain extent. Also, I'll be also using the dependency walker to display the list of DLLs that are being imported by the malware. And for each DLLs, I will point out some of the few important functions to determine the main purpose of the DLL. Last but not least, I'll be using the tool called PEView to find out the timestamp of the malware. Next.
We will be conducting basic dynamic analysis. This analysis requires the execution of the malware. First, we will be using a tool called Process Explorer to list out all the processes that are currently running, and this is to check if the malware created any mutant or loaded any useful DLLs. Next, we will be using a tool called Process Monitor. This tool monitors registry activities, file activities, and network activities. And also, we will be using Ragshot to take the snapshot of the registry entries of the current system before the execution of the malware, and then we will take another shot after the execution of the malware to see if there is any registry changes in the system. We will also be faking a network using Apache DNS. This is to check if the malware is connecting to any domain. By doing so, we will be able to run the command prompt to use a feature called the netcat to see if any data is being transferred over on the internet. The whole idea of the basic dynamic analysis is to determine most of the malware functionality.
In the last part, we're going to do a code analysis, whereby I'll be using IDA Pro to actually analyze the malware at the lowest level, which is this assembly language, whereby I'll take note of all the pieces of code and how they combine together to perform a certain function. Okay, so I hope you guys will continue to watch the video as we'll be going through each individual parts. Thank you.